Here comes a train for Brighton. We're going on a class 313 today. There's our train. That's our train, everyone. That's our train. That's our train. Three one three 208. 313 208. Yep, that's a train. That's our train. Going in the train. Okay, let's go over here. Sit near the. Let's sit right here. Went past Fisher's Gate. Okay, the train's stopping.
Please hand out. I remind everybody once again. Train service is provided for essential journeys only, and you have no other means of making that essential journey. When making essential journeys on board train services, you should be wearing a face covering at all times unless you're exempt. This includes at all time on a train. When on a platform and anywhere within the station area, face covering should be worn. Fines are in place for those who travel without face covering when they should. That's currently a maximum of £6,400. The new timetable will be in place. To see how it may affect your journey, visit the Southern Rail website where all information is available for you to see. Once again, a new timetable in place from the 22nd of February. All information regarding this can be found on the Southern website.
Oh man, that Thames Link, it's kind of dirty. Okay, we're here at Brighton. We're here. I'm gonna do some more footage of trains leaving Brighton. That's me out of here now. Bye. Okay. Three seven seven 111. Whoa! Look at that! That looks so pretty. Bro, that is so epic. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we're going back to Lancing. We're going back to Lancing. Okay, mind the gap. Okay, we're on the train now. Yeah, we should go there. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Okay, we're getting off the southern. Okay. Okay, so we are now at Hove Railway Station. Yeah.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text.
This train is going so fast. Look. No, it's 377435. Three seven seven 377449. Three seven seven 455. 313216. Okay, we're going on the southern service to Lancing. Whoa!
What was that?
It was a cargo train.
Wow.
That's so cool. I've never seen those ones before. I never seen them before. Okay, there's the train to Littlehampton. You just have to go all the way back up Lancing. Okay.
Which way you're walking?
Okay. There's a southern train. Ready? Okay. There's our train. Three 77409. 377409. Three 77421. 377425.
They bring the gates down when the train's to the shore or nothing. Oh, it's in it.
There it goes.